So again, we want to try to, if you have a disability, bring a friend to be active with you as needed. Again, my mom had COPD and she lost 35 pounds in this program while having COPD in this program. Okay, so I done seen people with heart disease in this program do well. There's no excuses, right? Go on a walk during your lunch, work and break. Again, take advantage of these, us workers, take advantage of these breaks. Stop going gossiping with your friends. So all I want to do is eat hamburger and fries. Go on a break, go take a walk, put on a podcast. You could kill two birds with one stone. Go on a walk and put on a financial literacy podcast. How about that? Or put on something you can learn, right? That's when I do my cardio, I do most of my learning. I watch my YouTube videos that I need to learn about. If I'm trying to do social media, whatever I'm trying to learn, that's when I do most of my learning, is when I'm in cardio. Podcasts are wonderful. And make being active a family event. Include children in physical activity.